Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can share your iCloud storage with family. So first, let's go to the phone settings. From here, click your name on the top of the list. Then let's click on Family Sharing. Here you can do a quick family checklist. You can edit your shared subscriptions or add one. You can even share your purchases and your payment methods, and even share your location with a family. Now, please bear in mind that even though you can access your iCloud via a Windows computer in a browser, and even there's an option to say or to choose family sharing from there, it will tell you to go back and do it through an iPhone or MacBook. Now, if you want to add a member, just go ahead and click that plus button on the top right. From here, you can send invitations to the person or family member you want to share this space. And that's it.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.